So here is my good friend Nicole. Now, I have known Nicole for a lifetime. We were pregnant together, we raised our babies together. She and I have struggled with our weight for a long time. Now, Nicole has lost over 100 pounds in the last year and a half. I lost 70 pounds and have kept it off for many years. And my beautiful friend Hannah also lost 70 pounds and kept it off for years. The three of us did the exact same thing to lose the weight. And in its simplest form, what we did is we switched from a standard American diet to a high carb, low fat, plant-based diet. Now, Nicole used all of the information, tools, and principles that you guys learn about when you buy our program, Eat More, Weigh Less, which is currently 80% off, the biggest sale we've ever had. I don't know that we'll ever do this again. Hannah and I built the program we wish we had always had to help us on our weight loss journeys. So Nicole used all of the information, all of the principles, everything that you learn in this program to apply it to her own life to lose over 100 pounds in the last year and a half. Now, if you're wondering if this will work for you, my gorgeous friend Nicole is in her mid-40s. She's a single mom of 5 and she works full time. So I'm telling you, if she can do it, you can do it. So today is the last day that you can pick up our program, 80% off. The link is in my bio, or you can go directly to our website at eatmoreweighless.co.